This lecture is on aldehyde and ketone nomenclature. Naming aldehydes is by under IUPAC guidelines, take the alkyl name, drop E, and add al. Naming aldehydes is common name is by taking the stem of the origin name and adding the suffix aldehyde. Example 1 is named under IUPAC guidelines, methanol, and its common name is formaldehyde. Example 2 is named under IUPAC guidelines, ethanol, and its common name is acetaldehyde. Example 3 is named under IUPAC guidelines, propanol, and its common name is propionaldehyde. Naming ketones is by under IUPAC guidelines, take the alkyl name, drop E, and add 1. Naming ketones is common is by taking the alkyl group of either end of the carbonyl group and name it alkyl ketone in ABC order. If the alkyl groups are identical, then it is named as a dialkyl ketone. Example 4 is named under IUPAC guidelines, propanone, and its common name is dimethylketone. Example 5 is named under IUPAC guidelines, butanone, and its common name is ethylmethylketone. Example 6 is named under IUPAC guidelines, 3-pentanone, and its common name is diethylketone. Note, if 5 or more carbons in chain length, one must indicate the location of the carbonyl group in naming a ketone. A cyclic ketone is a ring structure with a carbonyl group is present on carbon 1 or C1. Let's look at the first 4 cyclic ketones. Here on the left is cyclopropanone, and on the right is cyclobutanone. Here on the left is cyclopentanone, and on the right is cyclohexanone. A benzene substituted aldehyde is known as benzaldehyde, where the CHO or aldehyde group is found on carbon 1 or C1 on the benzene ring. Naming a substituted aldehyde or ketone can be done following these steps. 1. If you're asked to name a substituted aldehyde or ketone, you have to find the longest carbon chain possible that contains the CHO or CO group. 2. Number the carbon chain based on giving preference to the CHO or aldehyde group or CO or ketone, the lowest number, and apply all other rules of nomenclature. 3. If you have a function group who has a higher priority than aldehyde or ketone, one must treat as a function group, not the parent name. Here is a list of all the parent function groups with carboxylic acids highest in priorities and alkanes lowest in priority. Example 7 has a parent name named pentanone. There are 2 methyl groups on carbon 2 and 4 or C2 and 4, and the carbonyl group is on C3. The IUPAC name is 2,4-dimethyl-3-pentanone. Example 8 has a parent name named pentanal. There are 2 bromine groups on carbon 3 and 4 or C3 and C4, along with a methyl group on carbon 4 or C4. The IUPAC name is 3,4-dibromo-4-methyl-pentanal. Example 9 has a parent name named benzaldehyde. There is an iodo group on carbon 3 or C3 and an isopropyl group on carbon 4 or C4. The IUPAC name is 4-isopropyl 3-iodo benzaldehyde. Example 10 has a parent name named cyclopentadiene. pentanone. Since our two methyl groups are on carbons 2 and 4 and a bromo group on carbon 4, the carbonyl group is defined on carbon 1. The IUPAC name is 4-bromo 2,4-dimethyl cyclopentanone. Here is a review exercise for you to work on. Draw each of the following compounds. A, 3-bromo 5-iodose 2-octanone. B, 4-chlorohexanol. Name the following compounds. Please see the drawings for A and B. For the remaining part of this lecture, our solutions to review exercises or problems. Please do only after completing these exercises.